So I've made these videos time and time again. Um, but some see them, some don't. A lot of furnaces are sitting on the ground. We fully lift them off the ground to get the maximum airflow. It's been proven time and time again, even by the gurus, that when sitting on the ground and pulling off the side of the furnace, you lose 20-30% of your or 25 to 30% of your push-pull power. And when the air comes in, depending on which side the return's coming in, it's only the majority of the air is hitting the opposite side of the coil instead of hitting the full coil. And then most people know, anybody that's had me do a system in the last 10 years, is we used a fixed orifice. This looks like a TXV, but it's actually a fixed orifice inside. And they work on a 30 to 35 degree delta versus a TXV works on a 20 when properly installed. One of the bigger reasons we like our Lennox is if you have a Lennox and you have PVC piping, they have this black little deal. They have that deal. Well, you have to glue everything. And so they do have some plugs you can clean out and everything, but it does nothing for the waste management company dealing with the acid that all these systems are putting down. You notice I have one on my tankless too. I put that in a couple of years ago. And so anybody that's had us install condensating equipment, our Lennox anyway, they have that 3/4 inch port to where it's a lot easier for us to come out of there and come into that acid neutralizer down into here. And so and then this trunk line, we've been doing it, I don't know for how long now, but now whatever size this is, we get a new plenum with a curved piece down at the bottom to match it, and that helps even draw the air back even better out of the returns. And so when set up like this, you will have a better operating system depending on everything they do. Just putting a little box under and still pulling from here, yeah, it helps a little. A lot of companies will put a little box but still have a hole in the side here, and nobody changes out that plenum to make it better, to match this up here. And so, and the majority of them are going to use a fixed or a TXV instead of a fixed orifice. And I don't know, first thing we were always taught in HVAC 101, the bigger the delta T, which is the temperature difference, the easier it is to heat and cool a home. Well, fixed orifice works on a 30 to 35 when dialed in correctly. TXV, when dialed in correctly and installed properly, is only a 20 degree delta. I have changed out just coils on old systems that had a TXV that was leaking, put in a coil, and homeowners have called back the next day that it's working better than it ever did, just for that simple coil. Didn't do any of this other work, just the coil. Left the same crappy setup, and it was night and day on how it cooled the home. So anyway, I still got a little cleanup work to do, redo the gas, put on the humidifier like I do. But it's not a matter of does this need to be done. It's a matter it needs to be done. Unfortunately, when I first started in this business, I didn't always do this because I was listening to my brother and other people saying that, oh no, it doesn't matter, and blah, blah, blah. Well, come to find out, it does matter. And so, anyway, that's the difference in what we do and about 99% of the other companies don't do. So, thanks for watching.